As a camera guy and someone that already wears glasses every day, I originally picked up the RayBan Metas for the camera. When the Oakley Meta HSTNs were announced, I was gonna pick them up, but then I heard that the Gen 2 RayBan Metas basically had the same sensor, or at least the same camera specs as the HSTNs, so I decided to wait for them. I couldn't wait long, so I picked up the HSTNs. And then when the Gen 2s came out, I picked those up too. It's not exactly clear the specs of the cameras in both of these, but I do know that they're both 12 megapixel wide-angle cameras, and they both take videos up to 3K resolution. They also both only shoot vertical photos and videos, but don't get me started with that. Anyways, let's do a comparison of the image quality out of both these cameras and see if we can see a difference. Also, everything you see in here is going to be straight out of both of these glasses without any post-processing. So yeah, let's just get into these comparisons.
You're burning up the floor, got me captivated, I'm addicted, wanna see more. 끝없이 연결된 우리만의 universe. Like that, like that. Move on. Like that. 숨막히는 이틀음을 더 높이 올려 like that. Cause I just got to move. Take a look at all the shining lights. Nothing beats that view. Would you meet me on the floor tonight? And it's California. I couldn't afford you, baby. Ooh, yeah, this place just makes you, and it makes you want to. Yeah, it makes you want to.
So what'd you think? I personally couldn't see any difference, but I'm also a person who needs prescription lenses to see. Nah, I think they both take great photos and videos for what they are. Again, as a camera person, they don't compare to a dedicated camera, but that's not the purpose of these glasses. For what they're designed to do, I think they're great. Now I did pick up the Oakley Vanguards, and my Meta displays are arriving in a couple of days, so I'm definitely going to be doing even more camera comparisons. I'm also starting to look into other brands too, like Rocket and Halliday, but if there's any glasses that you want me to test out, it doesn't have to be just for the cameras. Let me know about them in the comments. I'm trying to get into more smart glasses to expand this channel. Oh, and bonus points if you can point me to glasses that can film horizontally. See ya. My teleprompter has started before I'm ready. Anyways, oh, no, it's not, no. Nah, I think they both take great, come on. I'm also starting to look into other brands too, like Rocket and I don't know what I'm doing. That's gonna make it my outtakes, isn't it?